Hello and welcome to our fun, interactive and authentic learning experience, Chef Ed. This task helps students to figure out the healthy eating choices that may have a great influence in their daily life. One of the learning outcomes for our university unit, Living and Learning with Technology, is to demonstrate a capacity to collaborate with others. Engaging in teamwork is an excellent way to highlight this outcome. So for our Task 3 assignment, Michelle, Rebecca, Gannis and myself formed a group to create an authentic learning wiki page as a teaching resource. Our task was to ultimately explain how this particular resource on healthy lifestyle will be an authentic task for the use of students in Years 3 and 4. The authentic learning task created aims to develop students' understanding, knowledge and skills surrounding healthy eating choices. This authentic learning task covers physical education and health, maths, English, visual arts and ICT to develop the students' understanding of healthy eating. The students will complete the task over an 8-week period, in which the final product is to create a 30-minute video. First off, the students use the internet to research about healthy food. They are then asked to create a meal. They then research a cooking show, write a script, whereby they take the script and create a storyboard. They then film and edit the 30-minute episode of Chef Ed, which will be presented to the class. This is the first slide whereby we'll be introducing our wiki page. On the home page contains the task overview, which is the overview of the task that we had to create. Also on the home page lies the introduction to Chef Ed, which gives a brief description of what Chef Ed actually is. Then lies the authentic learning page, which contains a description of the 9 authentic learning elements, in which contains how Chef Ed meets each of the criteria. The next page on the wiki is the curriculum alignment, in which it describes the areas from the Australian curriculum that we addressed in Chef Ed. Our tasks address mainly health and physical education, while also addressing English, visual arts, maths, science and ICT. The next page on the wiki is the all-important lesson plan, in which we introduce the advice for teachers when going about undertaking this authentic learning task to their students. This is followed by the 8-week lesson plan, in which teachers can follow. The first week covers an introduction to the course, in which students learn all about healthy eating and nutrition. In week 2, it is also about healthy eating and nutrition, in which students' main focus on the week is to create an idea for a healthy meal. Week 3 covers mathematics, as the students learn about fractions and decimals when dealing with recipes. This is due to the students having to create a real meal on a $20 budget for 12 people. In week 4, the students are asked to research a cooking show, looking at the language used in that cooking show to prepare for when they create their own cooking show. In week 5, the students for the authentic learning task are then asked to create a script, which they then edit. Week 6 covers ICT and visual arts aspect of the authentic learning task. This is whereby they take their script and create a storyboard using Storyboard That online. Week 7 is where the students put together what they have learned into a Chef Ed episode, which will be presented a week later in week 8. An important aspect of the authentic learning task is reflection about the task, in which happens in week 8 after presenting the video. These are the teaching links in which can be used to assist the teacher in teaching this authentic learning task. These provide outside opinion on the topic of healthy eating, in which the students can have a range of information to learn off. We have provided a number of different teacher resources to assist the teachers as well. As a team, we decided to incorporate what everyone else is studying into this task. As Michelle, Rebecca and Gannis are studying primary and I am studying health and physical education, we decided to go ahead and do a learning task about primary health and physical education. Everyone had their own role in the team, in which they were allocated to complete their individual task. Gannis worked on the logo, advice for teachers and helped me with the video presentation. I worked on authentic learning elements and video presentation. Michelle did the lesson plan and fine-tuning of the wiki. Rebecca did the introduction and creation of the Google Sites. We went about completing the task in a smooth manner. Firstly, we chose a topic that would be relevant to everyone's specific course. We then read and filled out the teammate agreement, filling out individual roles that need to be completed. We then went on to meet every Tuesday to discuss our problems and queries with our individual tasks. Beck and Michelle then worked on the design of the wiki, while Ganis and I worked on the video in the last week. Thank you for watching.